Time now for the CBS News Philadelphia Pet Project. Carol Erickson, animal advocate with the Pennsylvania SPCA, is here. Carol, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Howard, and hello, everybody. You know, we are so used to the sounds that dogs make, the barking, the growling, the whining, the sneezing, but there is a sound that dogs make that can be alarming the first time you hear it and maybe every time after that, and it is reverse sneezing, and this is what it sounds and looks like. Oh, in reverse sneezing, which sounds like loud snorting, the air is being rapidly pulled in through the nose, not pushed out like a regular sneeze. And it can be pretty scary. Look at that dog. That dog looks like he's distressed. And it's scary for the dog. It's scary for you. The dog's head and neck are extended. And they literally have these episodes sometimes for 30 seconds to a minute while you're wondering what is going on and why and how can you make it stop if you can. Well, this reverse sneezing is thought to be an irritating thing like a piece of dust, smells from air fresheners, perfume, smoke, pollen allergies, maybe just overexcitement that will trigger some of this. And it's pretty disturbing to watch that, and the sound is pretty unbelievable. Now, vets say for most dogs, this reverse sneezing is nothing to worry about, this snorting and snuffling sound you'll see. It is not the honking of a kennel cough or the honking of a tracheal collapse that you can see in some of the toy breeds. So vets say you can just let it run its course. It will end. Now, let me show you a way that they say you can also make it stop. And that is you simply, if your dog is doing it, stroke their throat. That should start some of the swallowing, the natural swallowing that they would do. Or you can lightly blow in their face, and that should start the swallowing as well. Or another thing you can do if you feel like it is hold the muzzle and close one nostril for about 5 seconds. And that supposedly will stop this, or it will stop on its own. Now, if you're seeing this multiple times a day and or a dog in your house and then suddenly other dogs in your house are starting to do it, that's the time you should probably call the vet and find out what the heck is going on here. So it's something that's reverse sneezing. Let's take a look. Pennsylvania SPCA. Boy, do we have a lot of animals, and they're on our website, pspca.org, including this girl, Thunder. Now, you know how some people and dogs just really don't get a fair shot from the start of life and really want to change that for them? This is one of them. This is Thunder. She came in 4 years old with a puppy, and she came in skin and bones. She is learning to trust people since she has been with us, so she's making great strides. She's open to meeting other dogs and wonderful families who can be kind to this girl and just tell all their friends and neighbors, look at the change in this dog since we brought her home. That is Thunder. And Legolas, which Lord of the Rings reference, I had to look it up. Anyhow, 2-year-old black male cat. He came also in through our humane law enforcement with 3 other cats. He is a very sweet boy. He's got a little star on his chest and one beautiful green eye. And go down and see him to see what color the other one is. And then we have the nice cat, Michael Kelso, Ashton Kutcher's character. Again, I had to look it up on that 70s show. But this Michael Kelso in our shelter, Pennsylvania SPCA, 5-year-old gray and white cat, recently returned after being in a home for 5 years. He is playful. He loves treats, toys. He nicely takes his medicine for his asthma. He is extra large, as you can see, and he is just a wonderful, wonderful dog, or cat, rather. And you can find the wonderful dogs and cats at all of our shelters associated with the Pennsylvania SPCA Mainline Animal Rescue in Danville and also out in Lancaster. And head to our shelter as well to meet these guys face-to-face, 350 East Erie Avenue in Philadelphia, Howard.
Yes, and Marvin, they're always the model.
He's the best. Came from there, too.
Good information there. Thank you so much, Carol.
Thank you, Howard.